Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make a very new recipe. It's bell pepper with the grilled chicken. If you like the bell pepper, please watch this video until end. Okay, I already fried the fenugreek seed until the brown, and then I add some grilled breast chicken. Not grilled actually. Not yet grilled. So some chicken breast, and I'm going to fry until it's brown. And guys, please, if you like this video, please share. Okay, please share and comment down if you have any suggestion or anything that you don't like or you like. So please, it will help me, it will help me to improve. Okay, so please don't hesitate. So now my chicken is ready, so I'm going to add some chopped garlic and to give the tiny flavor, and I'm going to just cook for 1 minute, I guess, because the oil is very hot also, so it's medium now. And also I really want to talk about something, guys, about your work, the work, your work is going to feel a large part of your life. Yes, this is very important, and the only way to be truly satisfied is what you do, and also important what you believe in great work, really. And the only way to do great work is what you love to do what you love. Okay, I add some also the onions, and I'm going to fry until it's brown also the onions. It will give you the very caramelized, and then the tiny flavor for the chicken also. And yeah, really, if you haven't found any work, keep looking. Yes, but you'll find, I'm sure, even the small things make you happy. I think now my onion is ready, so I'm going to add some turmeric powder, and it will give you the very nice color, and also the chili powder. If it doesn't like spicy, you can skip, and some cumin powder, and last but not least, Himalayan salt. I really like the Himalayan salt. It's more healthier than the regular salt. So I'm going to fry until 1 minute. So I'll give it all flavor in the chicken, and I already chopped the bell pepper, not too much, but I only have one, so I just add the one. I'm really lazy to go to the supermarket now, so I only have one, so I just cut it in the square. So now it will give you the very colorful. See how the color combined with the red and with the chicken and bell pepper. So I'm going to cook the tomato until it's cooked like soft, and until it's all the flavor mixed. And I really want to tell you one thing, guys, really, the life may be daring sometimes. Yes, sometimes it happens, but don't forget to take care of yourself, because you're the one who carry all the responsibilities, all. So please always take care of yourself, and I hope you are proud of yourself of making this far. I know, because life is very hard to survive also. Sometimes it's up and down. Everybody life is different. And also one thing, I scroll TikTok or somewhere I find this quote, everybody, all the people have tension. Without tension there is none people. No one here without tension. So just forget what you have the tension, just live your life, and always you have to focus. Yes, as always. And now my chicken is also almost ready, so bell pepper is cooked, not too much, because I like the bell pepper a little bit hard, not too much cooked. And my tomato is already cooked, and all the flavor is already in the chicken. So now I smell very, very, very tasty. Really, I really wanted to eat. I'm so starving also. And see the color, guys, is so good, and it smells so nice. And thank you so much, guys, for your time, for your love, for your support. And really, if you like my video, please like and subscribe. And please, if you don't like video, you can comment down below. It will help me to improve, really. And once again, thank you so much, guys. And I believe myself one day I'll be in good, the YouTuber. I hope someday. I always hope and hope for the best. Without your support, without your love, it cannot be happen. So please, thumbs up and subscribe my channel, please. And thank you so much once again for your time. Have a good day. Sayonara.